Hi guys. So today I'm very excited. We're going to be going into the very trendy black cherry makeup. So I'm sure you guys have seen it on TikTok, on Instagram, whatever. It's like when you get this like very black cherry ethereal look of makeup throughout the whole entire face. I'm going to do this today. I'm so excited. So if you guys want to see how I get the black cherry look when I want to look like a black cherry. Okay, that was dumb, Josie. Oh God. If you guys want to learn how to do some black cherry makeup, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So I'm going to prime my eyes and we're going to be going in with P. Louise Eye Base. You guys already know I love this stuff. Let's go in and prime the eyes. I like the P. Louise Eye Base because it's a little moisturizing and not so crazy dry, which is hard to come by in a eye primer. Once I have that on, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of powder and set that down just a little bit. We still want the eyeshadow to stick to the eye base, so not too much powder. There we go. All right, let's zoom you guys in. Woo! Hello. All right, so I'm going to be going in with the Melt and Bailey Sarian Fatally Yours 2. This eyeshadow palette, you guys already know I literally love this palette. This is what it looks like. And as you can guess, these two are our black cherry fantasy. So we're going to go in with a light fluffy brush and put a base of the Buff Down first, which is this neutral shade. I'm going to actually go in with a little bit of Kitty with that to lighten the buff up just a little bit. If I can find my eyeshadow brush. Hello. All right. We're just going to go in and very lightly apply this to our crease just to get a nice base down. You guys know my tip. It is to first pat down the product where you want it and then go in and blend just like so. Very pretty, very smoky. All right, let's do the other eye. All right, so once we have the base of our transition tone on, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of the crimson and I'm going to very lightly pounce this on the outer portion of our eye. So what we want this to do is just give a little flush of red, very, very lightly. So once we have the base on, if it's not blending as nicely as you want, I'm going to go in with that lighter shade that we had, the Kitty, just like that. All right, so now that we've taken a little bit of that red color and we're going to place that right into the crease, just a little flush of that dark red. All right. So now that we have it blended out, I'm going to go in with this Sephora eyeliner. This is in the color Aloha 52. It is this beautiful dark cherry, but almost, oh my gosh, it's kind of hard to explain. It's like this beautiful dark red cherry. We're going to go in and just line the outer portion, the V portion of our bottom and top line, or eye. Oh, need a close-up mirror. All right, just like that. And then we're going to go in and just blend that out. All right, let's do the other eye. Oh God, I just hit myself in the eye. Let's do the other eye. Other eye done. So now we're going to go in with a black liner. This is from Benefit. Just going to tight line my top and bottom. All right, just like so. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes on and do my brows. I will be right back. All right, so lashes on. I have the quarter lashes from NYX on just the outer portion of our eye. I honestly love a quarter lash. It's so much easier to put on and also way more comfortable throughout the day. And then I just have a little bit of the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Styling Gel in my brows. And now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the About Face Performer foundation. Just a little. I don't need like full coverage today. Where's my cosmetics brush? What the heck? Okay, well, you can use something else, Josie. All right, let's just use this one then. So this one is also the It Cosmetics brush, but this is the Airbrush, oh my gosh, foundation brush. All right, gonna blend this out just where we need it the most, which is where we are red. All right, I'm gonna take my lip balm off and we're gonna put a little bit of concealer on. So, well, we're gonna leave our lip balm on for now. This is the Kylie concealer and this is in 1.5 warm. This is a little warm for me and a little light, but it's okay because I only use a tiny bit. I'm gonna blend that out with the same brush. And then I'm just gonna go in with my finger. All right, there we go. All set. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush just to bring a little bit of life back to this base. This is the Benefit Moon blush. Very much so the vibes that we're going for today. We are going to use just a tiny bit and just bring a little bit of flush back into our cheeks, like so. Good God, my skin is so dry. All right, so please excuse the foundation kind of settling into my dry skin. Once again, my face is so dry and I don't know what to do about it. Oh, I've been like soaking it in so many products to try and get it to not be so dry, but here I am. So I'm going to wipe off my lip balm now. All right, now I'm just going to go in with my black cherry lip combo. So I really like the NARS Cruella lip pencil. So this is a lip product itself. It's not just a liner. We are going to go in and line our lip. All right, let's go and blend that out just like so. And then I'm just going to go in with the Cruella Power Matte High Intensity Lip Pencil in just the center of our lips. And blend that into the liner. All right, so let's zoom out, guys. Look at very black cherry vibes, in my opinion. I love it. It gives like strong, feminine badassery. Does that make sense? All right, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to leave a comment down below in the comments. It really helps my channel out, and I really appreciate all of you doing that. I write back every single comment that, unless you're trolling. If you're trolling me, I'm not writing you back. But I try to write back every comment that is left on my videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.